Hello everybody and welcome to the Tellow family kitchen as we wrap up our French cooking salute to the Paris Olympics. More on the meal in a moment, but last week we mentioned a look ahead to Los Angeles in 2028, where the city will host the Summer Olympics for the third time and first time since 1984 when Carl Lewis and Mary Lou Retton became Olympic icons. As for the venues they'll use, the Los Angeles Memorial Coliseum and SoFi Stadium will co-host the opening ceremony. The Coliseum gets track and field during the opening week, while SoFi hosts swimming during the second week, a change from the typical schedule. The home of the Lakers, I still call it Staples Center, gets gymnastics, while the new Intuit Dome is the venue for basketball. Should be an exciting time in 4 years, and now for our French finale, we'll be making scrambled eggs, a breakfast favorite no matter what country you call home. So just 3 ingredients. We'll be using eggs, butter, a little bit of salt. You can add other things like pepper if you want, but just these 3 for today. I'll try to see if I can do the first one with one hand. All right, not too bad. I should just do them on a flat surface. Then we'll mix it with a fork here. Right there. Then 2 tablespoons of butter into our nonstick pan, and we'll put that on medium heat. Then once the butter is mostly melted, in go the eggs. And then at this point, I also like to season it a little bit of salt there. And then we'll just cook that on medium. Once it starts to cook, then we'll just kind of draw it towards the center here. Out like there. And then I like to get it just about when most of the liquid is gone. That's about when I kind of think it's done, depending on how much you want your eggs cooked. Doesn't take long on medium heat, probably like 1.5 to maybe 2 minutes. And I'd say that's good for me. Then once it's done, we'll take it off the heat. Then one other thing, if you want, you can add some chunks of butter to the top like that and just let it melt. So how are we going to make this French? We'll serve it with French bread. Then we'll get it on our plate along with our bread. There. Then we'll give it a taste here. Really delicious. You taste the butter first and then the egg flavor kicks in. Really quality scrambled eggs. Hope you get a chance to try this recipe, and if you do, let me know what you think. And thanks so much to you guys for watching all season, and also thanks to Mom for her help running the camera. She always helps me out, does a great job. We're going to be taking a short summer break, and we'll be back in the fall with some new episodes, so we'll see you then from the Tellow Family Kitchen.